Hello, I'm Tarun Verma and I'm of 18 years. Now I am going to demonstrate an experiment regarding the origin of life. This experiment is similar to that conducted by Miller in the year 1952, but with a little modification.
This is the experimental setup of the experiment we are going to conduct. Now, due to the heat source, the water vapor produced goes straight into the flask containing a mixture of gases whose composition is similar to that of the early Earth's atmosphere. Now, we will produce electrical sparks into the mixture, symbolizing the lightning in the Earth's early atmosphere. Now, due to the sparks produced, the water vapor present reacts with the other gases forming organic compounds in the vaporized state. These organic compounds are collected into the trap with the help of condenser. Now finally the trap has a mixture of cold water and other organic compounds. These organic compounds are believed to be the basic building blocks of life on Earth. Now the experimental setup is glued to one of the faces of a cubical box. Now let this face be face A. Now this cubical box is fixed inside the hollow cylinder such that the face A is glued to the interior of the cylinder. Now in the International Space Station, under the microgravity conditions, when the cylinder is rotated at the varying speeds, a varying amount of centrifugal force will act on the apparatus as artificial gravity. Now for the various values of gravity, the experiment is conducted, and for each value of gravity, the resultant sample is collected from the trap and analyzed. And if we are lucky enough, we might be able to find the building blocks of life in the alien worlds with some totally different gravity than that of the Earth. This will be very helpful in the alien investigation and detecting the alien life forms and their nature. And if we are more lucky enough, we might be able to discover some totally new class of organic compounds which are not found on Earth. These organic compounds might be of immense help in manufacturing the drugs for some totally dangerous diseases like cancer and various other like AIDS and etc. Thank you.